Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this little video. I'm just going to share with you a little bit about our new service, which is called BioResonance. So we welcome Second Opinion Studios into the uncommon space, and we're just going to get going here in showing you a few things about BioResonance. So welcome to the BioResonance Studio. I'm so excited to introduce you to this lovely place that you get to come and hang out for your bioresonance treatment. During your sessions, you're going to be sitting in this amazing lounger, hanging out with just some headphones on. Then what we're going to do is we are going to use this inaudible frequency to send frequencies in through your body to help us monitor the level of health of not only your cells, but also the energy level of your organs and tissues. Here you see an example of a few things that we can go in and monitor and scan for looking at energy and health of the tissue. You're going to see a picture of the pancreas. And if we get a little bit closer, you're going to see different shapes. And what those determine are the energy of an organ. And here you see the pancreas. This is actually pretty common. It is showing a lot of black squares, which is the lowest energy out there. But what we're focusing on right now are the squares there, which are low energy. And this happens to be pretty common with most people and the energy of their pancreas. So we can use this machine to then go in and add in positive frequencies specifically for the pancreas and its overall health. Thing I hear a lot about from clients is it doesn't matter what I do, I can't lose weight. I seem to be eating less and less, and I just continue to gain more weight. There's nothing that I can do. This bioresonance machine has already proven with a few clients to help us increase the energy of the pancreas, eliminating those diabetic tendencies and overall helping with the body to utilize its energy and ultimately losing weight. Follow the links in this email to book your bioresonance today.